Have HP Slate 6 VoiceTab, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Tap here the apps icon, then find here and select the settings. Here let's find and select here the apps. It's under device tab, choose more key and select reset app preferences. So here you can disable app preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notification, default application for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's really important, you will not lose any app data. So if you are aware of this, let's tap reset apps, and now you can use your device in a normal way with the default app preferences. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.